Now the illegitimate sons of 4M may start crying. 4M means militant missionary, missionary militant, Maoist terrorists and mediocre media. They may start crying foul. Oh, Nityananda's newly claims immortality is possible. See, fundamentally try to understand. I am not only claiming it is possible, I am going to make it reality. Abusing is the methodology with which they try to trigger and get the evidence. I have seen these fellows screaming, if God is there, why he should not appear in front of me and talk? Why should he appear? Who are you? Who are you? Why should he appear? Why should he make himself available to you? Who are you? Why should he give appointment to you? And this fellow is going on screaming in the social media, if Nityananda proves his powers or his disciples prove his powers, I will give 1 crore. Who wants your 1 crore? Get lost. We are Hindus, we don't sell our mothers for 1 crore. Come with respect, I'll show you freely. What your 1 crore? Why do you think I am sitting on the seat which is more valuable than 1 crore? Just to tell you, money doesn't matter. Understand, we Hindus were never poor. If we are convinced something is sacred, we pour all our wealth and show the best. Understand, no religion has such rich temples. Do you know more than half of India's gold is sitting in temples and monasteries? Because we just know that is the best thing can happen to the planet Earth. I am a village boy, near village boy. Few people understood I am doing something very important to humanity. They put me on the golden throne. So I don't need to sell dash dash for your 1 crore. Let me be very clear. Tadviddi pranibadena pariprasnena sevaya. With the attitude of respect and serving, come, I'll demonstrate all the powers. Not only that, I'll bless you, I'll give you powers. This attitude of, I tell you, all these illegitimate sons of 4Ms, internally they know this power exists. Ayo, but how can I see? If I go there, they will. But how to see? Come on, let's act. Not after 1978. And some of these fellows, they are trying to claim, let Nityananda's disciples prove as per our standard. Why should I? You first of all prove that you are legitimate son of your father. Come to me with the DNA test. You satisfy my questions, then only you have a right to ask questions about me. And who are you? Are you a legitimate body. You are a self-styled, self-claimed rationalist Peethadipati. I am not self-styled. I am styled as per the Shastras, which is at least 60,000 years old. You are styled as per the rationalism, which is only 60 years old. After the human brain has become incapable of handling the frustration, it generated a rationalistic theory to rationalize the frustration is called rationalism. See, 60 years before only, human beings have fallen so low, Kali is Kali. Kali is Kali, I should say Gully is Gully. They are not able to justify anymore their frustration. Frustrated about relationships, frustrated about life, frustrated about the society, frustrated about the country, frustrated about themselves. How to now justify this frustration? Come on, let's all gang up and create a rationalistic theory about the frustration, very rationally, called rationalism. You are 60 years old, I am 60,000 years old. You prove your legitimacy first before questioning my legitimacy. I can give you my powers, but I don't want your frustration. I am very clear. I also have their, how that Karna, who is your father, line, I also have a line for them. Whenever they try to come through the back door without answering directly, logically, I tell them, come on, you give up all your property, I will give up all my property, let both of us sit in opposite platform and let's see how much we are relevant to humanity. That is what is making us leader. Property does not make us leader. Our property makes us leader. Our value is our value. Our value is our value. Understand? What makes us leader? How much we are integrated to the principle we are standing for, and how much the principle is useful and relevant to humanity. Money, உனக்கு தான். துட்டபதி மனசுல மட்டும் ஆஃப் பண்ணிட்டு படுத்துக்கிறியே. He will watch my video as long as I touch the money subject. The moment I say, I am ready to give up the whole thing to government, you also hand over the whole thing to government, let's sit in the opposite platform, you will switch off the video. Ayyo, paduthraaneya, idave pesi. Because he knows, any platform I sit within next month, it will become a Dhyanapedam again. But if he comes out of his house, even his son will not come with him. He will say, Papa, who will maintain the house? You go there, I will maintain the house. And they have a great tradition, not only inheriting wealth. Next. Let's be very clear. Don't fall prey and deny your possibility because of some stupid, irrational rationalists are brainwashing you. That's all I am trying to convey to you. I am not interested in brainwashing you. I am only interested in washing your brain.